G'day Liam, how are you mate? Alright, let's get cracking on this one. It takes a fair bit of work, this guy here, so I think it's a 3-mark question, and it says during the question using calculus. So using calculus means you can't use the calculator and you've got to do things by hand. So let's see if you can sort of follow me through here, mate. So alright, so basically we have, this is my scenario here. I've got log of 1 over x divided by x squared. So naturally I'm going to use the quotient rule, and the quotient rule is summed up here. So it's gf dash minus fg dash all over g squared. So that's just a formula you've got to work towards. Okay, f is the top function and g is the bottom function. So what you need to do is create this little table here where you set up your f and your g and you differentiate to get your derivatives f dash and g dash. The challenging part here is f dash takes a bit of work, whereas g dash is pretty much straightforward because x squared differentiate is 2x. So if I look at f is actually a log function, and I don't know if you missed this part when you were in class the other day, but if you've got log of something, to differentiate a log function, all you need to do is actually differentiate the function, stick it on the top, and divide it by the original. So that's the template here for a log function. So if we look at log over 1 over x, what I'm really doing is I need to differentiate 1 over x, right? So this is what I'm trying to work out here. So 1 over x is equivalent to x to the minus 1, which when differentiated is minus 1 x to the minus 2, and then putting it back down to a positive index is minus 1 over x squared. So if I differentiate that in terms of my log, if I differentiate my original, I get minus 1 over x squared. I divide it by my original function, which is 1 over x, which comes from obviously the 1 over x there. If I simplify that by flipping, the derivative actually comes out to be, after all that work, minus 1 on x. So then, now that I've realised that, I can slip that back into the table there. So now that I've got that, I can just do my actual calculation itself. So I've got to put everything into the formula. So here we go here. I've got g, oh hang on, I'm back with my pointer, yep, g, f dash, okay, that's what I just figured out over there, that's where I get these from, and then I've got f, and I've got g dash, all divided by g squared. So if I simplify this, x squared times negative 1 over x, that x cancels with the x, and leaves with negative x, and I get that scenario there, minus x, minus 2x log 1 over x to the x4. Let me just scroll down here for you, mate. So then to finish off, I can factorise out that negative x because it's in here and in here. Take out the negative x, leaves with 1 plus 2 log 1 over x. I should have put another bracket in there, so maybe I'll do that now. Yep. And then I can cancel one of those x's with one of those x's to leave me with my final result, which is that one there. So as you can see, that's a whole lot of work. But if you go through it step by step, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Nothing that you can't do with a little bit of practice, mate. So, look, I'll upload this vid. It might take a while, and I'll Facebook you when I'm done and have a look at it, and hopefully it comes out for you, buddy. Catch ya.